Welcome to Top Best Picks. The BESCH 12-inch sliding miter saw is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools you can have in your workshop, capable of handling a wide range of cuts with precision and ease, from intricate crown molding to sturdy baseboards, making it a worthwhile investment for both professionals and passionate DIYers who demand accuracy and efficiency in their woodworking projects. This comprehensive review will delve into the key features, performance, and overall value of this essential tool, helping you make an informed decision before purchasing. Number 5. BOSCH GCM12SD Miter Saw. This is the new BOSCH GCM12SD, a powerful and versatile miter saw designed to make your work easier and more efficient. It's packed with features to help you achieve precise cuts every time. It features a patented axial glide system. This allows for wider crosscuts and better alignment, all while saving you valuable workspace. This saw boasts an impressive cutting capacity. You'll be able to handle larger projects with ease. Making adjustments is a breeze with the large, easy-to-read scales and conveniently located controls. Precise cuts are simple to achieve. The square-lock quick-release fences ensure your workpiece is always secure and at a 90-degree angle. Added support is provided by the sliding fence. All the controls are conveniently located up front, making bevel adjustments quick and easy. No more reaching behind the saw. It comes complete with everything you need to get started, including a 60-tooth blade, wrench, clamp, dust bag, and vacuum adapter. It measures 32.38 inches long, 26.5 inches wide, and 27 inches high with the head up and at the 0-0 position. It's compact yet powerful. What we like. Its patented glide system provides wider crosscuts and better alignment while being compact. If you value workspace efficiency and precise cuts, this is the saw for you. It's perfect for those with limited space who still need to tackle large projects. What people say. The BOSCH miter saw is really phenomenal. It has every feature I can think of on it. It looks amazing when you put it together, and it runs so smooth. The machine does not make that much noise when it runs and cuts through material with zero effort. The cuts are also really smooth with the included 60-tooth saw. It glides nice and smoothly and has a ton of power. Cuts clean and straight. Number 4. Cruzer 12 Miter Saw. This powerful saw is designed for accuracy and ease of use. Its innovative features make even the most challenging cuts simple and precise. It projects a clear cutting line directly onto your workpiece, ensuring consistent and accurate cuts every time. No more guesswork. With a 15-amp motor, it handles tough materials with ease. The integrated blade brake adds an extra layer of safety for your protection. The convenient front controls allow for quick and easy adjustments. You can effortlessly change miter and bevel settings with one hand. It offers a wide range of miter and bevel cuts, making it suitable for a variety of projects. Its dual bevel design provides exceptional versatility. The comfortable handle and full-size trigger are designed for both right and left-handed users. It's built for all-day comfort and efficiency. It boasts a 12-blade, 4,000 RPM speed, and a maximum cut thickness of 6.5. It's powerful, precise, and ready for your next project. What we like. The shadow guide ensures accurate cuts every time, making it easy to achieve consistent results. If you need a user-friendly saw with powerful performance, this is a great option. It's ideal for DIYers and professionals who appreciate ease of use and precision. What people say. Upgraded to a Diablo blade with great results, motor is powerful and makes cutting a breeze, LED light is phenomenal, except in direct sunlight, robot arms are super smooth, accuracy was a big upgrade compared to the other miter saws I have used. I was able to cut a 17.5-inch wide shelf with no issue, just needs a 2x lumber to elevate as the manual states. Mine arrived square, and had the LED shadow line equipped. Slide is super smooth. Really well made and accurate. Number 3. DEWALT DWS780 Miter Saw. This is the DEWALT DWS780, a powerful and versatile miter saw built for professionals. It's designed to handle the toughest jobs with ease and precision. It features a 15-amp, 3,800 RPM motor, providing the power you need for demanding applications. This ensures smooth cuts through even the thickest materials. The integrated cutline system ensures accuracy with every cut. You'll get clean, precise results every time, saving you time and effort. It boasts a super efficient dust collection system, capturing over 75% of dust generated. This keeps your workspace clean and improves visibility. It easily handles large crown and base molding. Its tall sliding fences support crown molding up to 7 to 12 inches nested and base molding up to 6 to 3-4 inches vertically. With its robust construction and powerful motor, it's built to last. It's a reliable tool you can depend on for years to come. What we like. This saw boasts a heavy-duty motor for extended power and durability. The integrated cutline system enhances accuracy and visibility. If you prioritize power, accuracy, and efficient dust management, this saw is a top choice. It's excellent for demanding applications and larger projects. What people say. The XPS system is a freaking dream to use and such a vast improvement over any of the laser systems I've seen or used. If you bring the blade down almost to the wood, you get a razor-fine line where the saw will cut, so you know exactly where the blade is going, no more adding a 1/16 or an 1/8. This DEWALT at 16 cut depth handles a much broader range of board widths and is very accurate. This saw runs much smoother, quieter, and more accurate than my Craftsman. Obvious other improvement is the shadow line, which lights up your cut area and shows where the blade will cut. Cuts are easily within 1/64 using the shadow line. This saw is a beast. Heavy 60 pounds, but made solid. Extremely precise and easy to change adjustments. Number 2. Metabo HPT C12 RSH2S miter saw. This is the Metabo HPT C12 RSH2S, a powerful and versatile miter saw designed to make your cutting tasks easier and more precise. It's packed with features to help you achieve professional results. It boasts a powerful 15-amp motor, effortlessly handling even the toughest materials. You'll get smooth, clean cuts every time. The integrated laser marker system ensures accuracy, helping you make precise cuts consistently. This is a huge time saver and reduces waste. Its large sliding fence extends the cutting capacity, allowing you to handle larger crown molding and other dimensional lumber. You can cut up to 7.5 inches of crown molding vertically. With adjustable miter and bevel angles, it offers incredible flexibility for various cuts. Easily adjust it to match your project needs. Clear and easy-to-read scales on both the miter and bevel make setting angles simple and quick. You'll spend less time adjusting and more time cutting. Metabo HPT stands behind its quality with a 5-year warranty. It's a testament to its durability and reliability. This saw is an award winner, rated Best Miter Saw for the Money for Pros by Pro Tool Reviews in 2022. It's a tool professionals trust. What we like. The laser marker significantly improves cutting accuracy, while the large fence allows for cutting larger crown molding. If you need a reliable saw with a long warranty and enhanced precision, this is the one. It's perfect for professionals who demand accuracy and durability. What people say. Slides on forward-facing fixed rails, exactly what I needed, and what all sliding miter saws should have. 13 wide cuts at 90 degrees, excellent accuracy, decent blade breaking feature. Smoothly slides on rails with minimal effort. This baby is spot on in terms of its angular settings and the accuracy of the laser. I checked the angle using a precision ground sine bar and a dial indicator. My cut across a 2x6 at 45-degree angle was off by 0.002. Front placement of the sliding arm design is good for storing without wasting space. Handle design makes it easy for left or right-handed person. Powerful motor for cutting any material. No assembly required. Ready to use out of the box. Number 1. Makita LS1219L miter saw. This is the Makita LS1219L, a powerful and versatile miter saw designed for professionals and serious DIYers. It's packed with features to make your cutting projects easier and more efficient. It features a unique sliding system for smooth, single-glide operation. This design also allows it to work right up against a wall, saving you space. This saw boasts impressive cutting capacity. You can easily cut up to 8 crown moldings vertically, 6 to 3/4 baseboard, and 15 crosscuts at 90 degrees. The bevel lock is conveniently located in the front for easy adjustments. This makes changing bevel angles quick and simple. It has dual dust collection ports for superior dust extraction, keeping your workspace cleaner. This helps maintain visibility and improves overall safety. The direct drive motor and guard system are engineered for increased vertical cutting capacity, up to 6 to 3/4 inches. This makes it ideal for a wide range of applications. What we like. Its unique sliding system is designed for smooth operation and a compact footprint. The increased capacity allows for cutting larger moldings. If you need a saw that maximizes cutting capacity in a smaller space, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those with limited space but big projects. What people say. The saw fences were perfectly aligned and plumb out of the box, as was the head's blade squareness to the fences all the way out to 15. That's amazing. Perfect and accurate cuts once adjusted. It cuts perfectly, no issues so far with the power of the motor or adjusting the cut angles. The laser is very helpful to speed up with lining up the cuts, and it cuts perfectly accurate cuts each time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.